Getting ready for the Artist Open Studio tour. I have really no time to be walking with him right now, but he seemed very lonely. This right here is about to become a shelf. I cannot wait to see how my son does this. I'm about ready to do another firing at the last second because these things just felt unfinished. Here's what I used. Bright gold luster, and I need to fire it cone 18. So I'm just going to go give it my best shot. And I learned so much in just doing this. It's kind of an expensive lesson because just for a tiny smidgen of gold, you find that it costs you like 30 bucks. I did these first and I realized if you don't put enough on, it turns purple, which is strange. It gets a little purplish color. These turned out great, thankfully. By this time, I did these last. We are getting ready for the event. Everything is still kind of a mess here, but it's all good.
So we're coming back. I can't wait to get home. I have so much to do still. Here we are on Wednesday? Thursday. Oh my gosh, it's Thursday. Thankfully it's not raining, but it is raining sort of.
This is gonna be fun trying to go put all the signs up. I think I'm gonna wait till tomorrow morning because I finally got down to doing it and it's the busiest part of the day. The yard is finally finished. Thankfully, I got that done.
I'm about ready to go put up signs, and this is my absolute least favorite part of this carpet. There's some of the signs right there.
It's getting there. Things are coming along. It's getting really exciting. It's almost time tomorrow. Well, I got so much to do actually out in the studio, but we're having a great time, huh, Boo? Yay!